How to unblock messages on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can unblock messages on iPhone. Now before we begin and before I teach you guys how you can unblock messages, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. After you've done that, now let's dive right in. To unblock messages on iPhone, first you'll need to open up the Settings app. So locate your Settings app and then open it up. After you open up your Settings app, you will then need to go to your Messages. So search for the Messages option here, and if you don't find it, tap on the Apps option at the bottom, then search for Messages here. After you locate the Messages, open it up, and after you're here, scroll down. Scroll down till you see an option that says Blocked. So there you can see blocked contacts. Tap on blocked contacts. And right there you can see all of the contacts that you have blocked in messages. So this is not just for messages, but if you've blocked a contact, you'll not receive any phone calls, including messages, emails, or FaceTime. So to remove or unblock messages, tap on your number that you want to unblock. There you can see the number and stuff, confirm that. Tap on edit. After you come back here, tap on edit on the top right. Then press on this red button here. Then tap on unblock. And you basically unblock messages on iPhone. And thanks for watching. That is it for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take